Updating your billing address on WalletHub is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log in. Visit the WalletHub website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SREC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate billing information. In account settings, look for a section labeled Billing Information or Payment Methods. Click on this section to view your current billing details. Step 4. Update your address. Find the option to edit your billing address. Enter your new address details accurately in the provided fields. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new billing address. Make sure to review your information periodically to keep it up to date. Following these steps will help ensure that your billing address on WalletHub is accurate and current.